my name is Brianna Alvarez. I'm a real estate advisor with Real Estate Salesforce. I help people achieve their real estate goals, whether it's buying, selling, investments, anything real estate related. I love real estate because it bridges hospitality and the real estate industry together. I'm able to service my clients with the white glove service that they deserve and also secure their future financially with any real estate assets that I help them acquire. I've always loved developments and building the cities and helping people get into the cities that they want to be in. So I got into real estate. I was in FIU doing my bachelor's in hospitality management, and then I also did my master's in a specialization in real estate development. So at the time, I had to do an internship and I went to Italy. I worked in the luxury hotel space, and that's where I decided to get my real estate license and begin my real estate career. And then from there, I joined RESF, where residential kind of just happened organically, and there is when I started my career. A story that I feel proud of was actually when I helped one of my best friends purchase her first investment property. And we finally found a property that matched up numbers-wise, but it didn't look so appealing on the photos, but we took the risk. It was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath in a very sought-out area, and it actually turned out to be a very beautiful unit. And so we put our offer in. It hasn't even been a year, and she already has north of $100,000 in equity to her name, allowing her to explore real estate and be able to come out of it with such a successful story so young is very rewarding for me. We achieved this during a difficult market where there were bidding wars and negotiation was not so common. Whatever part of the journey that you're in, whether it's buying your first home, upgrading to a new one, or expanding your real estate portfolio, I'm here to help you achieve all your real estate goals. My name is Brianna, and let me help you find your spot.